Hi, this is Dan with Red Tree Builders. Today I would like to talk to you about wood floors. These wood floors here are natural wood floors. These are 3/4 inch planks, white oak. We also have some engineered wood flooring that we do site finishing on as well. And then we also have other products such as VCT and then pre-finished engineered flooring that we've used as well. Specifically today, I want to talk to you about the wood floors that were site finished. You may notice that they're very beautiful floors. Sometimes you may see little forms of cracks or gaps form in between them. Normally you'll notice this in the winters when there's less humidity in the air. The wood, since it's a natural product, will actually shrink up. It's not a problem because in the spring you're going to notice that they're going to swell back up with the humidity that comes out and they'll grow back together. When you clean these wood floors, you want to make sure to use very light liquid products. You don't want to use water and be real heavy. The wood will absorb that water and they can cup and come loose. For normal cleaning, I would suggest just using a Swiffer sweeper or just use a broom. On a rare occasion, if you do need to give them a good scrubbing, there's products such as Bona or other wood floor cleaners that'll help brighten them up and clean them as well.